In lecture 6, we focus on genetic factors in hereditary cancer. So understanding genetic factors in cancer is very, very important. So under genetic factor, each cell in our bodies, we normally know that contain the DNA, our biological blueprint that guides the growth in development and functioning. So the DNA normally contains genes that provide instruction to the cells about how to make proteins and also perform all essential functions, of course. So when these genes become altered or mutated, it can lead to serious disease, including what we refer to as cancer. So gene mutation normally increases cancer risks and may be passed from one parent to the child through inheritance. So these inherited gene mutation account for some of the hereditary cancers that are normally experienced. What is hereditary cancer? Now, hereditary cancer are those which are normally caused by gene mutations and tend to strike earlier than other cases of their respective type. For example, hereditary breast cancer often strikes women significantly younger than the average age at the diagnosis. So families that have hereditary cancer often see multiple members across generations affected by similar or related forms of this disease. So furthermore, some members may even have had more than one type of cancer. Some of the example hereditary cancer syndromes include one, we have the HBUC, that is hereditary breast and ovarian cancer syndrome. The occurrence of mutations in the BRCA1 and BRCA2 genes triggers the HBUC. So this genetic condition raises the susceptibility to different types of cancers, including the breast, ovarian cancer. Notably, both men and women are also at risk. So it does not only include the women, but also men. So we also have got the Lynch syndrome, which on the other hand is referred to as hereditary non-polyposis colorectal cancer. So Lynch syndrome increases one's risk for several forms of cancer. This one may include colorectal, endometrial, and others. So this risk increases due to mutation of gene involved within the DNA mismatch repair mechanism like the MSH2, MSH6, PMS2, and EPCAM that becomes active due to this mutation. So we also have familial adenomatosis polyposis. Of course, this is caused by mutation in APC gene. This condition greatly increases the risk of developing colorectal cancer. That is under familial adenomatosis polyposis. Now, we also have Li-Fraumeni syndrome. Li-Fraumeni syndrome is as a result of the modification in the TP53 gene structure. Cancer risks which are increased for individuals who have these conditions. So some examples include the breast cancer, the bone cancer, the leukemia, the brain tumor, and also multiple other types. So genetic testing for hereditary cancer can be an invaluable way of identifying the inherited mutations that increase cancer risks. So this helps in guide strategies for cancer prevention and also early detection of the same. But making this choice is ultimately up to each person. You see, consultation with the healthcare providers or genetic counselors may help make the decision become much easier. Otherwise, thank you so much for attending to that lecture. In our next lecture, we look at carcinogens and their role in cancer development. Of course, it's a very important lecture. Thank you so much.